Hello, my dear students. Good morning, students. Let's start discussing the topic invitation writing in this lecture. I hope you will surely get full benefit of this lecture and be able to draft an invitation very correctly and logically. Okay, so be ready. Let's start learning the topic invitation writing. Grammar. GRAMMAR grammar. Okay. Short writing task बेटे. SHORT short. WRITING writing task. TASK. Short writing task. Grammar short writing task. Okay. Topic is here. What is the name of the topic? Invitation writing. Invitation writing. Invitation writing. Invitation is also considered a piece of information, beta. Invitation is also considered a piece of information which is sent through printed cards or through a paper, through a paper in the style of a letter. So there are two kinds of invitations which we take in this our syllabus for class 12th. So I would like to give you here. Firstly, if you want to write it, definition. An invitation is a piece of information that is conveyed through a printed card or simply on a paper in the form of a letter. Okay, this is the definition. Point number 2 बेटे. Types of invitations. Types of invitations. Invitations are of the following two types, namely, number one, formal invitations. Number two, informal invitations. Formal invitations are also known as printed invitations, and informal invitations are also called non-printed. There are two types of invitations. Okay, bete. Number three, basic characteristics. Number one, okay, first, for formal invitations. Okay, number 1A, write the formal invitation in third persons, only. B, use the present and future tense. Wherever necessary. NECESSARY. C, use capital letters while putting the name of the host of any program. D, mention the content matter in short phrases so far as possible. The next is E. Put the invitation in a box. Okay, put the invitation into a box. The next could be here F. Write the word RSVP on the LHS and the words with best compliments on RHS. Okay. Put the words at the center of the line to make the drafting much impressive. Much impressive and eye-catchy. These are the basic characteristics. Firstly, for formal invitations. Now I would like to give you here blank format. बेटे blank format. This the blank format will surely help you to write an invitation systematically. Yes bete, I am making a box here, na? Yes. So just as you can see here, I have drawn these 3 lines to give the shape of a box, and now I would like to write the content matter here. What could be the content matter, bete? But the solution will be given to you later. First of all, I write the blank format. So beta, this the line is to be used to mention the name of the host. Name oblique detail of the host. Okay, then you should write here preposition of or etc. Okay, this the word should be written here. This the word should be written here. Again this the word here. Then you should write the name of the program here. Okay, bete, in this box, name of the program, date, venue, preposition venue, preposition date, and again the timing, and this the part is here should be closed. Bete, RSVP, this is the address, and with best compliment. This is the blank format. This is the blank format, bete. So you should follow this is the blank format. Okay. And now I would like to give you here a heading for the same. Heading. Heading. Okay. You are XYZ in charge cultural society SOCIETY of DR Public School, Agra. Your school is going to celebrate its 14th annual day celebration, annual day ceremony at the school campus next week. ओके बेटे, ड्राफ्ट एन इनविटेशन, a formal invitation, draft an invitation or draft a formal invitation. You will find the word formal invitation. Draft a formal invitation. Okay, for all the members of the institution. For all the members of the institution in about 50 words. आपकी संस्था के जितने भी सारे लोग हैं उन सभी को इनवाइट करने की खातिर आपको एक इनविटेशन लिखना है। कैसे लिखेंगे देखिए, नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू द सॉल्यूशन बेटे। As you can see here, I am making a box and I expect it from your side also that you will also make a box before you start drafting the invitation. Okay, now first of all, this is the solution, SOLUTION. So what will you do? You will write here the word invitation. Okay beta, अरे बेटे invitation, the word invitation is to be written by you here in capital letters. कैपिटल लेटर्स में आपको इनविटेशन वर्ड लिखना है यहाँ पर। इसके बाद बेटा यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है? नाउ यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द एंड द डिटेल ऑफ द होस्ट. व्हाट आर द डिटेल्स ऑफ द होस्ट? द प्रिंसिपल, the staff and the students students and the students of DR Public School, DR Public School, Agra, CORDIALLY cordially invite or cordially request okay the benign presence of your company, or you may write here cordially invite the solicit presence of your company, or you may write here the word bete cordially invite the cordially invite the pleasure of your benign presence. You may also write the word of your company on, or should be in small letter, on the auspicious occasion, on the auspicious occasion now you should mention here the name of the occasion here. On the auspicious occasion, generally occasion, not occasion, annual, ANNUAL, annual day ceremony, CEREMONY, annual day ceremony, okay, annual day ceremony, okay, this is the name of the program. It should be darkened like this, annual day ceremony at the school campus on 3rd September 2020. You can also write down the name of the day also, okay, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. full stop. Now you should mention here बेटे one more detail, the space has fallen short. ये स्पेस थोड़ा छोटा पड़ गया है, मैं इसको आगे ले जा रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा ये स्पेस कम पड़ गया. आपको एक पूरा पेज इसके लिए सिक्योर करना चाहिए. जहाँ तक मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट ये गलती ना करे, इसको पूरे पेज को सिक्योर करना चाहिए. लेकिन एक चीज़ देखिए जो आपको दिखाई दे रही होगी, एक ये जो शेप जो दी गई है, देखो ये शेप जो दी गई है, ये शेप बिल्कुल एक इन्विटेशन की शेप है. और मैं आपसे उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप बिल्कुल इसी प्रकार से अपना इन्विटेशन ड्राफ्ट करके आएंगे. कहीं इधर उधर दाएं बाएं जिगजैग वे में वर्ड्स को ना लिखें. प्लीज़ डोंट स्कैटर द वर्ड्स इन जिगजैग वे. ओके.